Welcome to Divine Light Teachings, channeled by Opheana and Sikaal with the Family of Light. In this session, we connect with Archangel Michael for a channeled spiritual message. Archangel Michael would like to assist you in some thoughts on making decisions, how to make decisions based on your heart, your own energetic signature, on your truth. Many humans on Earth make their decisions based on what is acceptable by society, by others, what is known, how decisions have been made in the past, the traditional way of making decisions, the most practical way of moving forward in life. Yet, a lot of these decisions are impractical for the growth of the spiritual being on Earth. It seems practical to the mind, the lower mind, and yet, looking more deeply, it creates more issues than it solves, creates tangles. It does not assist in the alignment in the heart, and so with confusion, many continue to step forth not knowing another way, holding to the path of past decisions. Archangel Michael would like to gift you with the blessing of following your deepest truth. And sometimes he shares this is subtle in your energy if there is old dense programs and habits that have been here your entire life, and so allow for some time to practice making decisions from your truth, making decisions from who you truly are. Who are you? That is the decision to make. Who am I and how do I do my life? And that is how you make decisions. As this divine spiritual being of light that I am, what do I want? What do I choose? What feels in alignment to me? Ooh, the pull of the pleasing energy over there, the pull of the old way, the easier way of following the train tracks of the past, making new tracks for yourself. In the beginning is more challenging in that moment, and yet often when the decision is made and you are moving along that path, the joy will bloom in your heart and you will anchor a new truth. Yes, this is who I am. This suits me. Yes, I will move in this direction. This is the decision for me, and this is the highest for all involved. No matter the reactions. And so finding your way, navigating your way through life, feeling the alignment, the subtleties, feeling when your heart lifts, feeling when your field lightens, when you feel into, yes, this is the way. You move to the left and you feel the old ways and it just feels too thick. You move to the right and it feels like you're trying to be something different. It's not quite right, and then you move to that central divine alignment, the focused path of your spiritual divine alignment, the golden path for you, what is ideal for you, and trusting that, creating ways of simplicity so that these decisions can be made to support you on your path. If there are entanglements from past decisions, begin to focus on them, to brush them out, to align them, to find your way with them back to the middle. And sometimes there's a cleanup. Sometimes there's a completion. And sometimes there's a big mess, and that's okay. Sometimes when the light shines brightly, you see all of the density, the thickness, the entanglements that have been made over this lifetime. And it seems too difficult to change, to undo. Archangel Michael shares, raise above, raise above, raise above, remembering the higher perspective will gift you with the truth. Find that truth alignment and you will find your way, no matter how long it takes to clean up the mess, to cleanse. It's now or it's later, he shares. Clean it up now or clean it up later. And later there will be more on top of this. And so finding that truth alignment for you, making that decision that just sits nicely, that creates a lightness in your field. Yes, this feels light. Yes, it's a difficult decision. Yes, it may be a less traveled path, but it feels so good for me. It feels so right. I can feel the rightness, the divinity within this. This suits me. This is who I am, the truth, the divine being of light that I am. This is what I choose in my life. Archangel Michael sends his divine blessings of focus and of divine truth to you, to your heart, to your mind, to your life. So many divine blessings.